We were expecting overall volumes to go up by 10% a yearly number and 20% QOQ. And this was mostly driven by 82% domestic volume growth and 34% dip as far as exports are concerned. So probably the dip actually is higher. Revenue 10,300 versus pool of 10,470. Revenue is a miss. Profit also mild on the lower side. Margins also come up on your screen. Okay, we have Abhishek Gaushan there to talk about Bajaj Auto numbers. Abhishek, what happened to Bajaj Auto this time?
See, broadly, what I can see that on the top line side, the numbers were broadly in line with our expectations. We were expecting roughly 10,500 kind of a number, and it is just 200 crore kind of a miss. And bottom line also, I think it's close to our estimates. See, this quarter was a very peculiar quarter. If you see that its export mix was weak and larger part of the performance was driven by the domestic volumes only. Despite that, if a company is maintaining this kind of a performance, then I think it is a saying a change in the overall flavor of the company. So its performance is now not only dependent on the export volumes only, but the premiumization in the domestic market is also helping the company maintaining the margin run rates.
One point which Abhishek is saying, up till now Bajaj Auto was seen mostly as a two-wheeler export play. But now they are increasing their grip on the domestic market as well. And that is why this quarter, despite of exports being weak, numbers not a disaster. In a normal scenario, if export wasn't working, their performance would have tanked, but it hasn't happened. So at 4,800 valuation, what's your call on the stock, Abhishek?
If you start seeing the Bajaj Auto, so historically we have seen it is a mass premium motorcycle market player in the domestic market and the export market player. Now, from going forward, the things have been continuously changing for the Bajaj Auto. Now it has added this time 400 in its portfolio, and going forward, it would be participate in the growth journey of this iconic premium motorcycle segment, where currently Royal Enfield is a market leader. Key thing to watch out here is that initially we may see we need to check out that what kind of a dealership expansion would be there, because currently it has only 15-16 dealers in this time segment. But as the dealership would expand from this 15-16 numbers to 70, 80 or 100 numbers what they have been talking about, then we will see a increase in the volumes, because based on our ground check, the demand for this particular product has been increasing, at least in terms of the inquiry levels which dealers are getting on. So if it has been consistently maintaining its EBITDA margin, at least I can say above 15% for last 7-8 quarters, and for 19% above for last 2-3 quarters. So this particular maintenance of this kind of a margin improvement in its product portfolio and the filling in the gap in its overall portfolio, we believe that stock demands a kind of a re-rating, and we have a buy rating on the stock, and in a two-wheeler pack after Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto is our top pick.